Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by prepping power and Bluetooth so pairing works first time. Charge the Hesh AnC to at least 20%. A low battery prevents pairing. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your source device and keep its Bluetooth screen visible. Now press and hold the headphone power button until the LED flashes, which puts Hesh AnC into pairing mode. This step is crucial because the headset broadcasts a pairing signal only when in that flashing state. With the Hesh AnC flashing, switch to your device's Bluetooth list and select Hesh AnC. If your device asks to pair, confirm. Older devices may request code 0000. Once connected, your device will often show connected for calls and audio. Make sure both profiles are enabled so music and voice work. If you hear a tone, it means pairing succeeded. For best results, keep the phones or laptop within 3 meters. Obstacles: after pairing, test audio and the active noise canceling to verify both functions. Use onboard controls to adjust volume and ANC. This ensures the profiles are active. If audio fails or the headset won't reconnect, reset the Hesh AnC by holding power plus volume down for 10 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. If problems persist, forget the headset on your device's Bluetooth list and repair to clear cached conflicts. This sequence resolves most common connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.